Okay, Bismillah folks, welcome back. We're looking at the 2013 QCA paper, test A, non-calculated in my class here. So, this is what the paper looks like as it's first, on the first page and second page. We're now going to move on to our first question. Right, let's have a look. Okay, hang on a second, just give me a moment. Coding. Okay, here's our first question. The numbers in the two triangles add up to the number in the square. So let's choose ourselves a nice color. Okay, size. Okay, numbers in the two triangles add up to the number in the square. So you have 10. I'm going to ask for 10 add 15 is equal to 25. So this number add this number gives you this number. So 55 add the 75. Well, 50 add 70 is 120. 5 add 5 is 10. So the answer is
130.
Okay, 130. Well done. Now this particular question here, some of you might have got it quite easily, some of you might not. It's like a reverse question. So we got part of the question, we've been given the answer. So 25 add the number in the triangle together gives you 120. To work out the missing number, what do we do, Zainab? What's an idea that we do, Zainab?
You can put the number down and then how much can five, how much you can put 5 to make 10, and then you put the carry and then you
Okay, so you think about visually looking at it and its place value. So I think what Zainab's trying to say is if you do the question like this, I think she's trying to do this technique here. Is that right, Zainab? And then you're looking at an answer. Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's one method for us to do it. Let's actually follow Zainab's method there. It's a good idea. So we think of it as a in column style of adding. So 5 add something is going to be 10. So that's going to be a 5. And then 2 add 1 is 3 add something else is 12 altogether. 3 add 9. So 25 add 95 is equal to 120. So the missing number here, okay, if you get the answer right, please, yeah. So that should be 95. That's just one method. Another method could be, if you use algebra technique, and you could say 120 minus 25 is equal to 95. These both methods are just as good as each other, whichever one you like to do, no problem. Well done, Zainab, for that lovely technique you gave me. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, right. Question number 2. Draw the reflection of all the shaded shapes in the mirror line. So let's choose a nice, lovely orange. So we have this one here. There's the mirror line here. So that one will get reflected straight across to this one here. Okay, now this shape here, it is 2 shapes away from the mirror lines. 1, 2. So it'll be over here. Okay, now this shape here corresponds right at the end. So it's 1, 2, 3. It's the third shape away from the mirror. So we follow along. 1, 2, 3 is the distance. So that shape should be then here. So if you got all of these in the right place, give yourself 1 mark. So them are the 3 places. Okay, question number 3. Circle the number that is closest to 300. Now, before anybody shouts out the answer, which I don't want you to do, what we're going to look at is how far is each number from 300. So 338 is how far away is it from 300? It is 38 more. What about 3030? That's going to be 2730 extra. So that is very, very far away from 300. 288, how far is that from 300? So this one is actually 12 less. 313 is how many more? 13 more than 300. 130 is how much less?
170.
170 less. So we have to find which number is the closest to, and which one is it?
288. 300.
That's right. 288 is only 12 away. Everything else is either more away positively or below. Okay, try not to eat the pen, please. It's not healthy.
But why did you put 313 on
No,
that?
because that's 13 away. 12 away is closer.
But I'll put both.
You can't have both, you can only have one answer. Circle the, if you circle both, the answer's wrong. Okay, 1 mark if you got the answer right there. Okay, question number 4. The number 20 goes in 2 of the squares of this multiplication grid. Tick the 2 squares where 20 goes. Okay, Zainab, you want to give me another answer today? Go on. 4.
4 times 5
Where's that go? 4 times 5 goes where? Here? Here? 4 times by 5 goes there.
and
What's the answer? Tick.
20.
Everyone else? Okay, let's give Kamal a chance. Where's the other box that we put tick in? You got 4 times by 5 or that one? What else? Where else will you have? The next one? Give me the one. No, not you.
There's 3.
Okay, we have 5 times by
4.
4. 5 times by 4 will be this box that has tick goes here.
2.
Okay, any more?
No.
No,
Yeah.
that's it. No, that's it.
Is it
Oh, yeah,
62
that's it. That's it.
Okay, so we got this square here and that square. You need to have a tick in both of those squares to get 1 mark. Any ticks in the wrong place is 0 marks. Okay, are you happy with that, folks? Let's load up the next page.
Go.
Okay, here are 3 nets of a cube. On each net, draw 1 more dot so that each cube will have dots on opposite faces. Remember, it's a net of a cube. So you have to mentally fold up the shape and make it back into a cube. So now, if we fold up this shape, then this side here, let's use
Right.
this side here will be opposite that side when you fold them up. Now this one here is the bottom of the cube. That's the side that will go on top, and the top is opposite the bottom. So that's where that one goes. Now, so far so good. If that is the base, then that will fold up, that will fold here, that will fold there, and that will fold around here, and that will go on the top. So this one will be opposite this one. To get 2 marks, you need all 3 dots in the right place. 1 mark is 2 dots in the right place. Beautiful. 2 marks. Okay, question number 6 now. The diagram shows how 9 people travel to work and how far away they live. So we have a key over here. We have walking, bus, and cycling. So 3 different symbols. Now, there's the workplace. How many people live more than 4 kilometers from work? So more than 4 kilometers means outside this circle here. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah.
You get that right, Anna?
Yes.
You didn't. Okay, how far from work does person G live? So person G is over here. So that's going to be 2 kilometers, 4 kilometers, between 4 and 6, roughly halfway is going to be 5 kilometers roughly. No, you can't write 4 because 4 is over here. This is 4 and this is 6. And that's 6. So the answer should be between 4.5 to 5.5. Anything between those 2 numbers. You can have
That's
it.
what I put 4 because of a half.
Okay.
1.5.
Okay, write the letter of the person who lives 2 kilometers from work and cycles. Which one? Cycling, first of all, what code is it? It's a dot. Record. Okay, next question was write the letter of the person who lives 2 kilometers from work and cycles. So here's work. 2 kilometers is the first circle and cycles the dot. So somebody on this circle is the dot, which is
D.
D.
Yes. Got all top page right.
I got 2 wrong.
Right.
So 1 mark per question for that one.